February 10th, 2026. A deep polar air mass persists over the eastern two-thirds of the U.S., with strong cold advection continuing across the Midwest, into the Northeast, and into the Ohio Valley, creating widespread sub-freezing temperatures and occasional pockets of light snow and freezing drizzle that will impact operations this morning and late tonight, especially across the Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, and New York hubs where VFR conditions may degrade to IFR/MVFR in low ceilings, patchy freezing fog, and light snow showers during terminal peaks. In the southeast and Gulf Coast, high pressure aloft dominates with dry, warm conditions around the Tampa Bay and Atlanta corridors, though weak fronts sagging south will allow patchy IFR fog/stratus overnight into early morning at ATL, CLT, RDU, and JAX that could delay first departures. The flow aloft remains light and VFR overall, despite mid-level moisture increasing late evening near the Carolinas. Across the central plains into the southern plains, winds aloft are moderate behind a departing clipper, and brief MVFR stratus with isolated pockets of light snow or flurries could impact DFW, AUS, and OKC Metroplex departures this morning. But conditions quickly improve with strong cold advection and building high pressure. The polar front situated roughly north of IE-70 will enhance boundary layer stability and lead to widespread low cloud ceilings this morning, then clearer skies by mid-afternoon. In the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, lake-enhanced snow showers are likely this morning over areas downwind of Superior and Michigan, with localized IFR conditions around MSP and GRR, at times from low ceilings and light snow, while winds aloft remain gusty from the northwest, feeding colder air into the lakes. The Rockies and Intermountain West will see strong downslope northwest winds and turbulence, particularly over and approaching the Denver and Salt Lake City corridors, with pockets of blowing snow at higher passes, though most valley terminals will remain VFR. Expect moderate to strong mountain wave activity into GJT and BOI. Along the west coast, an amplified Pacific jet and approaching trough will bring areas of light rain to Northern California and increasingly dynamic conditions over Oregon and Washington later today, with IFR ceilings and gusty southwesterly winds ahead of the front, though widespread heavy precipitation is confined to higher terrain. Across Florida and the deep south, warm, dry air under a strong surface high will keep skies VFR with light winds, but note increasing overnight moisture may produce patchy fog around MCO/TBW/MIA early Wednesday. Aviation impacts today center on cold-induced IFR, with freezing fog/snow showers in the Ohio Valley through the Northeast, low cloud ceilings over the Central Plains in the morning, and turbulence/wind shear over the Rockies and Pacific Northwest as the next system begins to organizing offshore.